had a bunch of people ask me for my recipe for the salsa, so here it is, Roma tomato version. Everything's been washed ahead of time. Roasting all of this makes it taste so good. Have a grill topper, works great. So normally you can use 5 or 6 depending on the size of the Roma tomatoes. These are about medium size, so 6 is fine. I might be overdoing it a little bit with the chili. You might just want to use one of these nice sized chilies, but I like adding a second one, so throw that on here a little bit, get a little crispy. Garlic is roasted as well. It's such a great flavor. Alright, so wait for all that to burn up a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Already. Yeah, roasting them gives such a good flavor, and you can remove the skin so much easier that way. You don't have to boil them or anything. You can just peel the skin just like that, it just comes off. You don't want this garlic to get too roasted. A little bit of roasting is fine, but keep it minimal. Oh yeah, I leave them in the skin too, so you can just put them directly over the fire. Works out okay. Alright, so that's about 5 cloves of garlic. Medium size. This one's almost there. Pretty much done. Burner's done. that's it for those. Pretty much done. Just getting a little extra charring. Pretty good. All right. Normally this stuff is pretty warm once you take it off. You can always just leave it and just let it cool off on its own. If you want to hurry up the process, you can also run it under cold water or get an ice bath, whatever's easiest. Just ram those under water. Should be fine. Yeah, look how easy that comes off. There you go. Let's do that. Comes off so easily. There you go. I like to cut these up just a little bit before I put them in, just so they blend easier. And this is hot too. I'm using my hands, so I'm gonna have to wash my hands later, or else I'll get a nasty surprise. Okay, there's that. And I'll go for some garlic. Take off the skin real easy. Just cut the very end off. It's a little fibrous. And if a little bit of that skin gets in there, that's alright, adds color. Light there. Oh well. All right. It's the garlic and the chili. Let's throw some of these tomatoes in. Skin just peels off. So easy. And I like to just cut a V there. Take that middle part out. Cut it in half. A little easier to blend. Watch out. Tomato juice. All right, next is the onion. See this big chunk of onion here, but I don't use much really. Just cut a little piece like that. I think even that's too much. Something like that. You don't want to add too much. It has this very, I don't know, this is really bad taste when you add too much onion, in my opinion. So I like to keep it light, just a little bit of onion. Okay, maybe this one too, sure. Okay, and then cilantro. I just like to take the leaves off. I feel like if I leave the stem in, it's a little fibrous, so I take them off. You can be meticulous, taking each individual one off, and just pull it like that. Both ways work. Both ways sometimes pull too much. So use your judgment. I don't know how much cilantro this is. I grab a handful, usually works. All right, that's cilantro. Let's see that. Next, I like to put salt next. Again, I'm making this up. This is kosher salt. I don't know. I just sprinkle some on top until I get the right amount. Who knows? There. I think that's fine. I would err on the side of adding less, blending it, and then figuring out what it tastes like. And then you can add some more later afterward, and you won't run the risk of getting too salty. Alright, so here's your salt. Alright, last little bit, lime juice, half a lime juice. You can go crazy with lime, but I think the lime from from a half of a lime is pretty good. This is just about right. Okay, so that's all the ingredients. I'm gonna put it on the blender. I don't have a camera over there, so you're gonna have to just imagine what this looks like blending. It happens fast. Be right back. Alright, here it is. Look at that. perfect amount to fit perfectly in the container. Alright, grabbing a chip. Alright, here we are. Yeah. A little watery at first. Tends to settle a little bit better once you leave it for a minute, but I can never wait. Oh yeah, that's hot. That's good. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will do my best to do some more stuff like this. Peace.